will be applying theory of division of innovation to an issue related to children and artificial intelligence, specifically the use of AI in completing school homework. The division of innovation theory was conceptualized by Everett M. Rogers, a communication theorist, in 1962, where it explains how a new idea, practice, and technology spreads through the society over time, and how different people adopt it at different stages. According to Rogers, individuals are categorized into 5 adopter groups: innovators, early adopter, early majority, late majority, and laggards. These groups differ based on how open they are to change and how willing they are to take risks. These individuals will go through 5 stages when experiencing something new. First is awareness, second is interest, third is evaluation, fourth is trial, and lastly, adoption. In the following scenario, I will explain how this theory works in a setting where a children wants to submit an AI-generated infographic while the mother feels hesitant and doubtful about it.
Yay! I finished my homework. Mom, I finished my science homework. It's an infographic about plants, and I use AI for it.
You use AI? What do you mean exactly? Do you do it yourself?
Yes, I mean I understand it, but AI just makes it faster, and I just entered the topic and it generated the infographic for me.
So basically, the AI is doing everything for you. You didn't do it by yourself?
I understand it. All my friends use it.
That's what worries me. Just because everyone is using it doesn't make it right. I'm concerned that you're not really learning anything about it.
But AI is just a tool. I can still explain about the roots, stems, and leaves.
What if your teacher thinks you're copying everything? Schoolwork is supposed to be helping you to understand the things that you learn.
Okay, what if I redo it, but this time I just use AI to organize my infographic, but I'll write the content myself.
Alright, we can try it that way.
Mom, I have written the infographic.
Good, now that's even better. I'm afraid that the one that created by AI was not accurate and you're not even noticing it.
I totally understand your worries, Mom. AI do have its risk and its benefits. It does help me learn faster and present my ideas better. I promise I won't misuse it.
Okay, as long as you're using it to support your learning and not replace it, I feel more reassured.
I'll make sure I understand it and use AI responsibly.
This scenario clearly demonstrates the division of innovation theory in a family setting involving children and AI. In this case, the innovation is the use of AI to generate school infographic. Although AI tools are becoming more common, however, their use in children's education is still relatively new and uncertain for many parents. So, who do you think the children and the mother represent? Well, the children represent early majority, where they are the individuals who interact frequently with peers and exposed to various sources of information. The child adopts AI quickly because it is efficient, visually attractive, and commonly used by peers. This explains how younger generation often embrace new technologies faster. Well, what about the mother? Well, the mother actually represent late majority. They are the one who is more cautious and tend to adopt an innovation only after careful consideration. The mother's concerns about quality, honesty, and teachers' expectation show her hesitant. And there are 4 characteristics that show how an innovation will spread. First, relative advantage. The child highlights that AI makes the homework faster, while the mother questions whether this advantage compromises real learning. Second is compatibility. The mother evaluates whether the AI used aligns with the educational values such as effort, responsibility, and understanding. What about the third one? Well, the third one is trial ability. By allowing AI to be used only as a supporting tool, the mother tests the innovation on a small scale based on how the scenario has shown in order to reduce uncertainty. And finally, observability. This may occur when the child shows an improved understanding and receive good feedbacks, allowing for future acceptance. Overall, this scenario explains how adapting to AI is a gradual process following a division of innovation theory, especially in a family setting. It is shaped by communication, shared values, and also trust. And it also depends on who is willing to take the risk and learn something new. That's all from me. Hope you learned something. Bye-bye.